Hi everyone, welcome to the English Grammar Lesson 8, the Present Continuous Tense Part 2. If the verb ends with the letter E, the present continuous tense is made by dropping the letter E and adding ing. Drive, which is a verb ends with E, we have dropped the letter E and we have add ing into it. Drive, driving. The man is driving the car. There are many more verbs which end with letter E, such as come, coming, give, giving, make, making, live, living, write, writing, ride, riding, use, using, take, taking. If the verb ends in IE, the present continuous tense is made by dropping IE and adding Y and adding ing. For example, lie. Lie is a verb which ends with IE and we have dropped the letters I and E and we have add Y. Finally, we have add ing into it, which is lying. Lie, lying. The boy is lying on the mat. Some more examples such as die, dying, tie, tying, why, wying. If the verb ends in CVC pattern or if it is a short verb which ends with G, M, N or T with a vowel before it, the present continuous tense is made in a different way. For example, dig. Dig is a short verb which ends with G and which has a vowel before it, where we double the letter G and add ing and making digging. Dig, digging. The man is digging the ground. According to the CVC pattern, CVC means C for consonant, B for vowel, C again for consonant. If we take the verb clap, according to the CVC pattern, it's easy if we can take the verb from the end of it. That means P-A-L. P for consonant, A for vowel, L for consonant. Then there we double the last letter, that means P, double P and add ing. Clap, clapping. There are many more verbs such as sit, sitting, swim, swimming, run, running, drag, dragging. We can't say that this will apply to every verb in this pattern, but most of the verbs will follow this pattern. Thank you very much and see you from the next video, English Grammar Lesson 9.